Hey guys, welcome to Build Again. So we're gonna build cool on a budget. Today we got ourselves our first new project. So let's get started. Alright guys, we just got it all wire wheeled down. Noticed right off the bat, a few little pieces of damage here. Got some broken motor mounts. This one's a little hard to see there. Not the best looking. Then we come around here to the forks. Let's see if we can get you guys. Right here, that's bent. So it looks like we're building new forks from scratch here, because that is not okay. So let's get this thing back home where we can actually do some work to it. Catch you guys. Hey guys, back at the compound. We got this old 69 Cat 250 here. We're gonna go ahead and start making a little modifications. I'm seeing some stuff I don't like. Don't do that. Start getting crazy. Start breaking blades. Not good.
That did not go as planned. With a steer tube that's gonna fight that bad, I think our best bet is to go ahead, cut it off, and start over. From there, we can find something that's a little more smooth, and maybe we'll be able to steer this thing in the turns without flipping her over. So let's go ahead, walk you guys through the parts I've picked up, and you guys can start to see the vision I have planned for this thing.
Alright guys, I'm sure the first thing you notice here is that's definitely 3 wheels, which can only mean one thing: we're building a trike. I've had these old golf cart wheels laying around for quite a while, and I think it's time to put these things to use, and this is going to be the perfect project for them. I've gone ahead, picked up a live axle kit. I've got a 1-inch axle by 36 inches long. From there we'll be able to cut that puppy down and get her just perfect. I've also got some pillow bearings, the hubs I'm going to need, a sprocket adapter with a 420 sprocket, and we have what's going to be key in this, a disc brake. With how much weight we're going to be moving, it's going to be very important to be able to stop this thing on a dime. So on the next episode, we're going to go ahead and start to mock up where this axle is going to live for the rest of her life. Maybe we can get her rolling, and then we can just decide on cutting off the forks and seeing where we go from there. See you guys on the next episode. Peace.